Whales are dumping XRP. But the question is why, and what is the current price? In today's video, we're going to have a look at exactly why, some of the other latest crypto news, and some of the key numbers as to the space. Happy Saturday. It's going to be a great weekend, I'm sure. Let's get straight into it. Right, we're going to start off with the main article itself. Now, Ripple whales are selling their tokens 100%. This whale sold over 100 million XRP and the price has continued to decline. Actually, the price has declined almost 25% in the space of 2 weeks. And you know what? Whale addresses holding 100,000 XRP to 1 million have sold more than 100 million worth of XRP to take profits. Now, the profit taking may come as a bit of a shock, but actually for many people and investors and traders, they're thinking short-term for long-term goals. So many people, when they see a nice price increase and they anticipate a dip, they're going to be selling and buying back in. But are we going to see that bounce back with XRP? But I don't know. It's a little bit interesting. 25% is a huge decrease in 2 weeks, especially when you had the momentous news around the court case. Now, the XRP price, it's lost a lot of steam, hasn't it? But let's have a look at the current price right now. At the time of me making this video, it's currently at 62 cents. So when you look at that on the chart, the year end, it was actually okay, in my opinion, considering all of the factors around the escrow, the court case, everything like that, and the market consensus. It wasn't too bad. But when you look at this chart, and you definitely look at it across the 1 day and the 7-day chart, maybe people are starting to panic a little bit. But the thing is, when you do zoom out to that month, you're still in a good place, but we have broken out. So the thing is, are we going to see XRP dip to 47 cents? I think, honestly, nobody knows the true answer, but we are approaching it with caution. When we're seeing some of its top holders selling, it's very interesting as to what is coming next. But it's very interesting because I'm talking to other people and there's a lot of confusion around what is going to come. So this is genuinely an opinion-based thing. But what I will say is I am monitoring the price of XRP very closely. If you look in the last month, XRP is still up 27%. But then if you zoom in, it's down on the daily 6%. And in the week, it's down 12.67%. So clearly there are some significant changes happening with XRP. And there's maybe some room to be a little bit concerned. Let's move on to the next article. Vietnam is surprising many people. This article surprised me. It is the 4th largest cryptocurrency trading hub in the world right now, according to data released from Binance and its trading data. This really did surprise me. It's put a smile on my face. Somewhere that, to be honest, I probably overlooked and didn't consider as a trading hub. This is awesome. Congratulations to Vietnam. Now, the next story is from the USA, of course. Good morning, USA. Very weird. Anyway, crypto-friendly bank Revolut has shut down its services within the US. Now, we all know Revolut traditionally has been a popular bank for those that are trading crypto in the UK, Europe, and the US. Now, this is very interesting that they are ceasing their services in the USA and removing themselves from the market. Clearly, Crypto.com offer some similar services in terms of a credit card or debit card solution, but why are they leaving? I'm going to have a bit of an in-depth look into this, bit of a recap over it and see exactly the reasons why, and maybe do a video on it next week for you. Now, the SEC, according to this article from Crypto Daily, is pivoting away from crypto and targeting AI. Now, is this because of what we're seeing with WorldCoin and other initiatives around data processing, storing, and our personal information? Possibly. But this article, it really kind of made me smile because of the terming around it. Manhunt. I believe the last few months have been an absolute manhunt around cryptocurrency and where it's heading, and it's been led by this guy, Uncle Gary. But AI is a can of worms, and I believe it's about to be burst wide open, and probably rightfully so. Let's have a look on the next article. Now, Kenya, on the topic, have actually halted WorldCoin data collection, citing privacy concerns, and frankly, they want to know a little bit more around the company that is gathering this information and where they are going to do it. So to be very clear, Kenya has currently halted all operations for WorldCoin. This is a huge, huge story. We've spoke about this many times on the channel around like the privacy concerns, where they're storing the data, who they're sharing it with, who's got the control of the data. Clearly, this is a concern of some of the senior politicians around the world. Finally, Coinbase against Binance, SEC. Everybody is basically against the SEC right now, let's be honest. But this is very interesting, the timing around it. So at the minute, you've got the SEC at the top, and you've got Binance, you've got Coinbase here. It's probably a bit of a hate triangle, not a love triangle. But this is a very interesting story. The triangle has done a little flip. Coinbase CEO has said that Binance has sold all of its USDC. Now, if you didn't watch yesterday's video around stablecoins, please go and check it out because it may give you an indication as to where this goes. I believe that I'm onto something when it comes to stablecoins, and the algorithmic stablecoin of which CZ is trying to pursue is going to be extremely interesting. So let's see how this story plays out. But Binance have been getting rid of their USDT and their USDC and just launched their own stablecoin. Let's see how this one plays out. Reminder, BUSD is not owned by Binance. It's issued by Paxos and they use the Binance branding. Many people are unaware of this, but you should be aware of it. Let's have a look at some of the latest prices around crypto. Current price of Bitcoin is $29,073, down 0.5%. Ethereum is currently at $1,831, down 0.19%. BNB is at $241, down 0.47%. And XRP, like we said, is down 5.6%. This is live price at 62 cents. And finally, BGB token is at 45 cents, down 0.27%. Let's have a quick look at our meme tokens. Meme token Shiba is up 7.49%. That's a great increase in the last 24 hours. Maybe that is because of their announcement around developing something around validation of identities on the blockchain. Maybe it is a utility, and Shiba may be finally getting a utility. Doge is up 1.8%. Pepe is down 5.8%. Bonk is down 5.6%. Let's have a quick look at our trading ranges. So Bitcoin, as you can see, we are in that lower range. We haven't tested the top of it. We could be sideways trading for a little while. The reminder, the bottom of the range is $27,660, and the top of the range is $29,570. Quick look at Ethereum, because there's not much to report within these ranges. It is waiting for a dramatic move, and I currently am not trading because I think there's too many factors that can affect the price right now. The SEC Coinbase battle has begun yesterday. There's so many other factors to this. I'm waiting and sitting back and see how it goes. The low of this range for Ethereum is $1,730. The top of the range is $1,956. And we're bang in the middle at $1,830. Quick look on Crypto Bubbles gives you a great feeling as to market is. The market is looking rather confused. As to I am, so I'm confused. So I'm going to see how it plays out. It's early. Let's see how today performs. Hopefully later on today we'll have a lot more clarity. And tomorrow we can make some positive trades, if not by the end of today. Hopefully you are enjoying these videos. Now, I've got 3 videos yet again for you today. We're going to be looking at Casper, and we are going to be looking at Coinbase, so make sure you stay tuned for those. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, because it is really helping me within the algorithms. We've just gone over 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support. Together we're going to do it. We're all going to make it. Let's go.